Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to delete synced contacts from your Google account in 2025. If you've got duplicate contacts cluttering your list or just want to clean up your digital life, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account on a device you trust. This could be your computer, phone, or tablet, whichever is handy. Head over to contacts.google.com. If you're on mobile, you might need to open the Google Contacts app instead. Once you're there, you'll see all your synced contacts from various sources like your phone, Gmail, or other Google services. Now, to delete those unwanted contacts, start by selecting them. You can click the checkbox next to individual contacts or use the Select All option if you want to clear out a bunch at once. Be careful here. Double-check your selections to avoid accidentally deleting something important. After selecting, look for the Delete option. It might be a trash icon or a More menu. Click that and confirm the deletion. Google might prompt you to verify, just to prevent any mishaps. Remember, deleting contacts from your Google account will remove them across all synced devices, so they'll be gone from your phone too if it's linked. One quick tip: if your contacts are still syncing from your device, go to your phone settings, find the Accounts or Google section, and turn off contact syncing temporarily. This ensures the deleted contacts don't reappear. Once you're done, you can turn it back on. And that's it, you've successfully deleted those synced contacts. This process keeps your Google account tidy and efficient. If you run into any issues, like contacts resyncing, check your account settings or restart your device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.